Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day here in Atlanta for the Caffeine and Exotics show. So let's go check out some cars. This show is all about supercars of all kinds and all shapes and all sizes from all countries of origin. I came down here to stay with one of my buddies here in Atlanta last night and had a great time. So we got to come over here in the morning, rolled in with a couple Ferraris. I'm really excited to see what we're going to see today. There's already a bunch of really nice cars here, so it's only going to get better. Let's switch to that footage right now.
Ooh, that's justice.
I need a zip right now, right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need a zip right now, hey, right now, hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need a zip right now, hey, right now. Pick up the phone, pick up the. I've been down and out before. Pockets was worse than my bitch and she real bad. Hit the ATM just like a G-spot. Bitch, I need that money coming real fast. I supply it, I get it and go. Pray for my mama, she don't even know. I want the power, she watching the show. But me and my partner like Tommy and Ghost for real. And I ain't selling no coke or pills. I only do.
Got a pretty solid turnout for this show, definitely. I hope you guys don't mind that I'm not really talking too much in this video. I'm really just kind of enjoying this show because I drove all the way down here for it. So you guys are still getting to check everything out with me, but I just really want to enjoy these cars and talk to everybody rather than talking to the camera. Oh, damn. I don't know what that is. I am having a really great time here at this event, talking to everybody. I've met some really nice people with some really nice cars. I think everybody's starting to get a little bit restless though, because everybody's starting to rev their engines. If you're enjoying all this supercar content, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button, because stuff like this is what this channel is all about. There are so many nice cars here. I'm having a really hard time picking my favorite. So I'm curious to know, what are your favorite cars that you've seen here? Go down there in the comments and let me know. All right guys, I found my favorite. This 570S on these HRE wheels. This thing is spec'd out absolutely beautiful. I love this color. I love the wheels. I love the carbon accents. The interior is really nice.
9/11 was a government job. This bomb gas straight from Osama, though. Talk like a young Obama. The only problem is you ain't Michelle. I don't want drama, I just want karma. So come on, baby, be my clientele. Look, I need a zip right now. Right now. Hey. Whoa.
What's up, bud? How you doing?
Good. Where you at?
Over here. All right, guys, I'm here with my man Mauzy. He is responsible for the fantastic music that you've been hearing throughout this video. So make sure you go check him out on Spotify, iTunes, wherever you want to get it. Mauzy Music, he just dropped a new EP. You gotta go stream it.
Mauzy, you know what's going on. I'm rocking with my man West, the fastest motherfucker in the game.
Yeah, good. I'll be on YouTube.
All right. You gotta take me for a ride.
Yeah.
Come on, please. That's my favorite car.
I gotta head back to Nashville or I would. nutty fan. Thank you guys very much for hanging out with me today and watching me play with some supercars. For now, I'm gonna end it right here, but I will see you on the next video.
I need a zip right now.